Using 3 cups of brown beans, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, and half onion. You have to soak your beans with hot water so you can easily peel off the chaff from the beans. These are beans properly washed. You pour some salt to it. The reason why we're putting some salt is to have that taste of the beans batter, so the beans taste will not soak into the water. That's why we're using some salt to soak the beans before we blend our beans. We want that taste of the beans, the flavor of the beans to be there. We don't want it to be out of the beans. So after which we pour our beans bit by bit in our jar in the blender and blend it smoothly like this. As you can see, my beans is smoothly blended. And then you chop your pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper, and your onion. Chop it into smaller particles, and you just want to add it, your chopped pepper and your onion, to your blended beans batter. After chopping it, you add it to your blended beans batter, and then you just want to mix together. You see my beans is smoothly blended. There is no rough particle, smoothly blended. You add your chopped pepper and your onion to the batter, to your beans batter, and what you do is just to give it a deep stir everything together. You want it to mix together, just give it a deep stir continuously. I love doing this stirring part. It's actually fun. As I'm stirring, I'll just be dancing. Yeah, so just want to stir everything together. And then you add some salt to taste, and then you can taste it. If the salt is not enough, you can add more salt to it. But if it's enough, you don't want to go ahead and add more salt to it. So you give it a stir. You just want to stir the salt, the pepper, the onion, everything together with the beans. And then you put like 1 cube of seasoning, 1 seasoning cube. You stir properly, you stir together. Just want to stir. Like I told you, the stirring part of this beans batter is my favorite. Like while growing up, I love stirring beans for my mom. I love stirring beans batter for my mom. So as you can see, I added more salt to the beans because I tasted the beans batter and I find out that the salt is not really enough. And you get your fry pan. You just get your fry pan, pour some oil on it in a medium heat. Then you start putting your beans batter in the oil, in the preheated oil. You just do it the way I'm doing mine. Just scoop it into the oil like this. Because we want to get that. Why we are using this spoon is to get this. There's a particular size of akara we want to get, so that's why I'm using the spoon. And I want all of them, all the size of the akara to look the same. That's why I'm using the spoon. Akara is almost getting ready. Our first set of akara is almost getting ready. Yeah, like this one is done. It's properly fried. Just pack it out and then go ahead and put the next set to the oil. So guys, you can try this at home. It's lot easy. I think the only part that you find difficult in making your akara is washing your beans. Yes, it could be really frustrating, but if you can do it this process I did mine, just soak your bean with hot water. It will easily peel off the chaff when you're washing it. So I'm doing another process. I'm putting another set of beans batter into the oil, the hot oil. Every other process is easy, just the washing of the beans. And lest I forget, I'll put up a video on moi moi also after this akara. Yeah, our akara is ready. Akara is ready. It's yummy and delicious. Guys, if you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share, and make sure if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.